Yeah, that's boring. This phone sucks. So bored. It's cold. Bored, huh? It's open.
Sonic!
Yes? What's wrong now?
Come outside!
Okay, what's going on now? Well, first, should we actually bring someone else too?
Bring Tails.
He's sick.
Crap. Bring Shadow.
Wait, Shadow? Why Shadow?
You got a problem with that?
Fine, let's just go.
What's gonna happen outside? Oh great, it's really out here in the fucking rain again. Again? Like when are we gonna record a video with the rain?
What do you mean? It's raining. Right, Sonic?
Guys, I want to be out here. It's kind of cold.
Of course,
Yeah, Sonic, come on. Let's go have fun.
this is gonna be a bad idea. Dude, this is not what I like, bro. I don't like this.
Yeah, come on, Shadow got this.
Dude, this is scary. Why do you want to do that? It's scary. No. Stop. Dude, I don't like this. I don't like this strength, bro.
Shadow!
What?
Over here. I need help.
Callous.
Sonic,
No, dude.
Do I hate this?
Me too. Right, Sonic?
Dude, I hate getting wet.
Tails would have got extra sick out here.
Remove. Get out of here.
Ah!
I don't even know why we're doing the rain thing. It's rain right here.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, it's okay, guys.
I don't want to be out here.
Yeah, you
Dude, it's hard. It's Oh shit, it's raining hard as fuck.
do it, Shadow.
Dude, get in the ring. Dude, Knuckles, get in the shade, bro. It's hot.
I am in the shade.
Dude, what are we supposed to do now?
Well, we all need to talk more.
What?
Shadow, stop talking.
I'm tired of being out here.
I said we're gonna do parkour.
No, we're not. This is my lab.
No.
I want to go back inside.
No.
I'm getting sick right now. See?
Who cares?
Fuck. Dude, I'm getting sick. Stop. I want to go back inside.
No, we're not going back inside.
I'm sick.
Who cares if you're sick?
I'm going back inside.
I felt
You're
it.
throwing Tails.
I'm feeling worse. Wow, where's Amy?
She's not here. She's working.
It's very raining.
I can tell.
Where's the others?
They're outside the rain.
What?
They're outside the rain.
They're gonna get more sick.
Oh, I think they came back inside.
Why is the door?
Frick no. Never again. Oh my god, I hate my life, bro.
It was fun, wasn't it?
No, stop.
Ow.
Stop. Speed. Stop.
You stop.
I hate this stupid.
I hate you. Why, Sonic?
I hate this.
Guys, I'm cold.
Why are you shivering?
Easy, Knuckles.
You get this then?
No. So,
You're actually right.
Oh.
It is getting cold.
never again.
Fine.
I'm gonna go see Amy. Hey, Knuckles. Knuckles. Knuckles.
Kill the skeleton to complete the game.
That's easy. Ow! Ow! Huh!
You guys are idiots. You guys are gonna get more sick
Shut
than
up,
me.
Toast. I'm gonna take you outside.
No.
Hey, it was pretty good out there, but I'm freaking sick. I don't feel good now.
Is he alright? I don't know. It's all Knuckles' fault. Yeah, how about I go out there? Tails, don't. How about go? Don't. Fine, I'm gonna check the window. Do you guys really went out there?
Yup.
You guys are crazy. I'm gonna go Amy.
Your fault, Knuckles. Now I'm sick.
You deserve it.
What are you looking at? You bird.
What did I do? Ow!
I hate my life. It's all your fault, chat.
Knuckles, how do we stop this?
You don't do that we off.
I'm trying. Wow, you guys are definitely sick now. I know it. Dude, Knuckles is a bad idea.
Call for him.